الله وفيكم رسوله ومن يعتصم بالله فقد هدي إلى صراط مستقيم.
How can you disbelieve when you are the ones to whom the signs of Allah are recited, and when His messenger is in your midst? Whoever holds fast to Allah will certainly be guided to the straight way.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون.
Believers, fear Allah as He should be feared, and see that you do not die save in submission to Allah.
واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ كنتم أعداء فألف بين قلوبكم فأصبحتم بنعمته إخوانا وكنتم على شفا حفرة من النار فأنقذكم منها كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تهتدون.
Hold fast together to the cable of Allah and be not divided. Remember the blessing that Allah bestowed upon you. You were once enemies, then He brought your hearts together, so that through His blessing you became brothers. You stood on the brink of a pit of fire, and He delivered you from it. Thus Allah makes His signs clear to you, that you may be guided to the right way.
وَلْتَكُنْ مِنْكُمْ أُمَّةٌ يَدْعُونَ إِلَى الْخَيْرِ وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنكَرِ وَأُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ.
And from amongst you there must be a party who will call people to all that is good, and will enjoin the doing of all that is right, and will forbid the doing of all that is wrong. It is they who will attain true success.
ولا تكونوا كالذين تفرقوا واختلفوا من بعد ما جاءهم البينات وأولئك لهم عذاب عظيم.
Do not be like those who fell into factions and became opposed to one another after clear signs had come to them. A mighty chastisement awaits them.